step into the Dodge 2019 Grand Caravan say. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are transmission, 6-speed automatic 62TE, STD, wheels, 17 inches x 6.5 steel, STD, black light gray stone cloth low back bucket seats, engine, 3.6L V6 24 FFV, STD, tires, 225/65 R17 BSW Touring, STD, quick order package 29 SSE included, engine 3.6L V6 24 FFV, transmission, 6-speed automatic 62TE black door handles, second row bench with rear stow NGO 6040, STD, Uconnect hands-free group included, remote USB port Bluetooth streaming audio Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth and white knuckle clear coat.